Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best heavy lift drones is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of technology for professionals and hobbyists alike, offering unparalleled capabilities in aerial photography, delivery services, and even industrial inspections. But with so many options flooding the market, choosing the right one can feel like navigating a complex maze, especially when your needs go beyond simple aerial shots and require the drone to actually carry a significant payload. Number 5. Holystone HS724K Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial views with its advanced 4K UHD camera. Featuring image stabilization, it captures crystal clear photos and videos without any shakiness, even from unique perspectives. Never lose track of your drone thanks to its smart GPS features. It automatically returns home when the battery is low or the signal is lost, allowing you to focus on your creative shots. Enjoy an impressive 52 minutes of total flight time with 2 intelligent batteries. Its efficient brushless motors ensure a quiet and smooth flight experience. This drone boasts a foldable design and comes with a convenient carrying case, making it easy to take on all your adventures. It's ready to fly whenever inspiration strikes. Even beginners can master flying with its intuitive controls. Features like one-key start, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning ensure stable hovering and easy operation. Explore further with a remarkable control range of up to 3,000 feet. The controller's LED screen displays essential information like battery level and GPS signal. What we like. This drone offers an impressive 52 minutes of total flight time, perfect for extended aerial photography sessions. Its 4K UHD camera ensures stunning image quality, while the long control range gives you freedom to explore. If you're looking for a drone that provides ample flight time and high-resolution video for your creative projects, this is a great choice. What people say. Your drone says flight time is 26 minutes. I flew it the first night for almost 25 minutes before I looked about empty. That is a very good selling feature also. The drone looks and feels like the expensive ones. I have never owned an expensive one, but I cannot see how much better they could be next to this one. Love the looks. The little case is a great addition. My previous sat on bench, this one I can keep contained. Very nice quality in my book. Operating the drone was straight up easy. I need to get more familiar with all the new controls. I had the drone up and over the yard and house. The flight was very stable and I got my first in-flight video. Number 4. Holystone HS720E 4K Drone. Introducing the Holystone HS720E, a 4K drone designed for adults. It's FAA compliant and ready for your aerial adventures. Capture breathtaking footage with its 4K EIS anti-shake camera, featuring a Sony sensor for unparalleled image quality. Say goodbye to blurry shots and hello to crystal clear videos. Enjoy seamless outdoor flights with its advanced GPS, optical flow, and pressure sensors. It automatically returns home, ensuring you never lose track of it. With 2 intelligent batteries, you get a total of 46 minutes of flight time. Spend more time in the air and less time waiting to recharge. Explore innovative flight modes like Follow Me and Tap Fly. It makes capturing stunning shots and videos incredibly easy, even for beginners. Experience powerful, stable, and whisper-quiet flights thanks to its brushless motors. Enjoy the thrill of flight without the noise and benefit from its long lifespan. What we like. Experience incredibly smooth and clear footage with its 4K EIS anti-shake camera featuring a Sony sensor. With 46 minutes of flight time, you have plenty of opportunity to capture breathtaking shots. If you prioritize superior image stabilization and high-quality video for your content, this drone is designed for you. What people say. It's an easy drone to fly. It's remarkably stable, the GPS works well, and the video is great. The controller has a built-in display with battery levels, GPS and signal strength. It can take a photo or video just using controller buttons, and that means if you want to do a quick flight, you are good to go without the phone. The drone itself is built solid and very strong. Number 3. Holystone HS175G GPS Drone. Introducing an enhanced drone designed for adults. It features a 4K EIS camera for exceptional image quality and smoother video stabilization. This drone is equipped with a 4K EIS camera with a Sony CMOS sensor. It boasts a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustable tilt for capturing perfect shots, with 5 GHz FPV transmission for smooth video. Never worry about losing it. With GPS-assisted flight, it automatically returns home if the signal is lost, it goes out of range, or the battery is low. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of flight time with 2 included batteries. Single battery fast charging means less waiting and more flying. It includes altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and speed adjustment, making it easy for beginners to fly. This drone comes with a carrying case and a foldable design for easy storage and portability. It weighs under 250 g, so you don't need FAA registration. Explore advanced features like auto-follow, path planning, and point-of-interest circling. An emergency stop feature ensures a safe and enjoyable flight. What we like. This drone boasts an exceptional 60 minutes of flight time and is under 250 g, meaning no FAA registration is required for many users. Its 4K EIS camera captures stable, high-quality footage. If you're a beginner or a hobbyist who wants maximum flight time without the hassle of registration, this drone is an excellent option. What people say. After a bit of practice, the drone took high-definition photos of the roof in question, and the photos were of exceptional quality and fully met our needs. This drone does exactly what the manufacturer says it does, nothing more, and nothing less. It is very easy to learn to fly it. Battery life has been about 20 minutes, and the automatic return home on a low battery is a very good included feature. Number 2. Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial scenery with its 1080p HD camera. The wide-angle lens helps you capture every wonderful moment from a unique perspective, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy an impressive flight time of up to 20 minutes with its powerful modular battery. This allows you to capture and explore more of your surroundings without interruption. This drone is designed with a foldable frame and comes with a convenient carrying case. It's easy to take with you wherever you want to create and explore. Enjoy a streamlined and safe flying experience with automatic takeoff and precise hovering. Its intelligent features make creating stunning content easier than ever. It's a must-have for beginners, equipped with intelligent functions like emergency stop and altitude hold. The long flight time is ideal for practice and learning. Control your flight with simple voice commands or gestures for an intuitive and fun experience. It's designed for both adults and kids to enjoy. What we like. This drone is incredibly easy to operate, even for absolute beginners, with features like voice control and auto hover. It captures good quality 1080p HD video for your everyday adventures. If you're just starting out with drones and want a user-friendly experience with fun controls, this is the perfect drone to learn on. What people say. It still works. 2 months in a tree and this thing still functions great. Out of the box, the drone was extremely easy to set up. Turn on the drone, then connect your phone to the wireless. Once that's done, power on the controller. When it beeps you know they're talking to each other, then calibrate, both knobs down the right until it beeps, then start the drone by pulling the left controller down to the right, and the right controller down to the left. There is a button to take off and land the drone, and the controllers respond extremely well without being overly sensitive. Its durability, ease of use, and responsive controls made his learning curve smooth. Number 1. Ruko F11 GM2 4K Drone. Capture breathtaking aerial footage with its advanced 4K camera, stabilized by a 2-axis gimbal and EIS. Enjoy smooth, professional quality videos with 5x digital zoom and an adjustable lens for versatile shots. Experience extended flight sessions with up to 64 minutes of total flight time, thanks to 2 intelligent batteries. Get more time in the air to capture every perfect moment without interruption. Explore further than ever before with an impressive 5 km real-time video transmission range. Connect your phone for a stable, seamless live view, whether you're scouting trails or documenting adventures. Its upgraded remote controller ensures fast and stable video transmission directly to your phone via USB. This provides reliable live views even at long distances, without relying on Wi-Fi. Engineered to perform in challenging conditions, it can handle winds up to 38 miles per hour. Fly with confidence and achieve smooth, cinematic results, no matter the weather. Intelligent GPS features like auto-return home, follow me, and waypoint flight make flying easy and creative. Start your adventure with just a few taps on the intuitive app. This drone meets FAA remote ID requirements, ensuring compliance for your flights. You can find the RID label on the bottom, and support is available if needed. What we like. With a massive 64 minutes of flight time and a 5 km video transmission range, this drone is built for serious aerial exploration and filming. The gimbal and EIS 4K camera ensure professional-grade, stable footage. If you're a professional or an enthusiast looking for extended range and cinematic quality, this drone will not disappoint. What people say. The flight stability is excellent, even in light wind, and the controls are smooth and responsive. The camera quality exceeded my expectations for the price, clear video, sharp photos, and solid range. Battery life is also better than expected, giving me plenty of flight time before needing to recharge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.